We are now going to do one assignment. This is the fourth assignment. Already we have completed 3 assignments. Check those assignments and make sure that you have the solutions for all these 3 assignments. This is the last assignment for this topic. There is a note here in this assignment. All the exercises are based on a particular file. Try to get that file, then proceed with the assignment. As usual, look at the question. There are some hints given. Based on the hints, you try to give the answer. So this is the question and this is the expected answer. You have to sometimes write a DAX function. This is the question, this is the answer. Sometimes you have to create a table. Question and answer, you may have to do some Power Query related exercise. So try to complete all of them. At the end of the day, you have nearly 10 questions, I guess, in this one. There are 10, 11, there are 13, 14, 15. There are 15 questions, one by one. Complete all these 15 questions. Where do you get all these assignment files and the related class files? You have to go to our GitHub repository. As usual, we will go to our GitHub repository. I'll quickly show you the files. Where can we get these files from? So here is this is our core repository. This is the page that you have to really make a note of. YouTube videos and materials are given here. Within this, if you go to Power BI resources, if you click on assignments, this is the fourth assignment. In future, I may upload a couple of more assignments. As of now, this is the fourth and last assignment. This is the questions PDF that I have walked you through right now. These are all the questions. Try to understand the questions, and these are the supporting files. You can download all those supporting files depending on the question. You may require a particular supporting file. You may want to download that. So try to complete this assignment. Yes, it will be a little challenging, but you will gain a lot of experience. If you complete those 4 assignments, at least 2 projects you can keep on your CV saying that you have worked on Power BI, and you can really justify your Power BI learning experience. One of them is sales related. One of them is credit risk related. One of them is, I think, this is also sales related one. So you can definitely show some good experience related projects on Power BI in your CV once you complete these 4 assignments. If you have any questions related to these assignments, put them in the comments. We will try to respond quickly. All the best with this assignment.